much. Justice for my brothers. I'm a poet, not a news anchor. It is not fair for me to be right here reporting the deaths of my brothers, losing one of them to Kenyan mob justice and one of them shot on the chase. Ni leo hii tu ndio nimeamini bwana mnatuitanga wasudi. Juu vitu baadhi ya Wakenya wanatufanyia zimezidi. Na sitaki kusikia mtu akisema msudi anachoma. Juu mkiwachoma kuna mtu alikuja kuwasaidia. Mkiwachoma hadi majirani walichoma. Verse ya Biblia inasema love your neighbors, you love yourself. Justice for my brothers. Garang brought us here, and now you're killing Garang. Come on, Kenyans, I thought we brothers. Why would you kill someone that went to the same school with you? Someone that always play with you? Someone that has be always there for you? Why would you kill someone like an Al-Shabaab? Come on, you can save your bullet for the bad guy. Kenyans, I thought we brothers and sisters. And when you look at my eyes, do I look like I'm coward? I was born in the bush, but I like peace. When you look at me, it's not because I'm afraid, but I just keep asking myself, Kenyans, are you afraid of losing me? This message goes to all of you and the government. We need justice for our Southern Sudanese brothers.